Hi guys, so sorry it's been a while since we brought you a vlog, but you know how things can get sometimes. So here we are again with another vlog eventually, and this time I just want to cover a few general updates. The first things first, the Clove photo competition in association with HTC has now ended. We've had a fantastic number of entries, some really weird and wonderful actual entries themselves. From very everyday photos to something a little bit special, and it was very difficult picking a winner, but we have done so along with 5 runners-up, and you can see that on our blog now. You can also see the full entries that we've had, all like 1,500 of them, so to view them at your pleasure, and all of the pictures were taken on smartphone cameras, and the results were quite impressive. So in stock now at Clove is the HTC Evo 3D. That's the glasses-free 3D smartphone from HTC. So you've got a dual 5 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, all the standard smartphone features including a dual core processor, GPS, Wi-Fi, 3G, HTC Sense interface, and an Android operating system version 2.3. So that's the latest device from HTC to hit the market. You do pay a slight premium because the fact that it is a 3D display and camera, and if that's up your street then you can get that now, and of course that competes with the LG Optimus 3D. Also in stock are the new Sony Xperia range, the Mini and the Mini Pro. So you may remember the X10 Mini and the X10 Mini Pro. Well, they've been updated with the latest version of Android, the latest Sony Ericsson features, and they've now hit our shelves at Clove, so you can pick them up from today. Also, the HP Pre 3, the successor to the Palm Pre 2, is now available. The Pre 3 keeps a similar form factor and specification. Of course, uses the WebOS, which is one of the most intuitive yet versatile operating systems out there. The only problem being very few have adopted it so far. There's limited applications, but with the might of HP behind them, we should see fast developments down that route, and I am led to believe that development of applications for that device is very simple, for the WebOS in general, and I think HP are putting a lot of money in place to try and push the WebOS. I think we'll see it on printers and computers in the future, judging by some of the things that have been said, and I think in time there'll be a lot more applications. So if you were to pick one up today and there weren't many applications available, in the coming months more and more will become available, but on the other hand you may wish to wait. Of course the specifications have been improved. You've got the likes of 5 megapixel camera on there, a faster processor, of course you've got all the touch screen and what have you, and WebOS is an intuitive way, it's a different way of doing things, a bit like Android is fresh and new for a lot of people. WebOS is the same. Of course if you've picked up an HP touchpad, there's compatibility between the two on there, so there's many benefits down that route as well, and if you're an HP fan you do get the added benefit of the build quality and the HP brand behind it. There's also some new features coming to our website over the coming weeks. You may have noticed some already. We're continually trying to improve this for your experience, to give you a better shopping experience. But now one of the main features we have on the pages itself is each product page, or for smartphones that is, we have a link back to our blog. So if you're viewing a product, there's now a new blog tab on the product page, and you'll see related content. So when you're deciding on buying a phone or looking at one, you can see all the other content we've added to our blog, which may be of interest and use to you. So that's just a few updates from Clove.